Hi folks, I often get asked about what's really outstanding about our technology. Call it FeasyUse. It's a combination of feasibility and usability. This stands for how HAKOM time series management works. In this hands-on episode, I will explain what it is that puts a big smile on the face of our customers. So come on, follow me! Imagine you want to analyze the gas consumption in a large city. You get data in 1 hour increment. At the same time, you get more data from other sources that may influence the gas consumption. That could be temperature, wind speed, or global radiation. Simply upload the data from your database using our TSM application, which is integrated into Microsoft Excel. Here you see the gas consumption in hourly increment. We also have the other time series like global radiation, temperature or wind speed. But let us zoom into 2 or 3 days to see it a bit better, how that looks like. Here you are. Those different increments are a challenge for any kind of analysis. If you look at it in terms of numbers, it would be like that. Every 3 hours we get a new value for global radiation. But what if we want to harmonize it on 1 hour increment? That's just one click away. Simply choose 1 hour as an interval, update all the data, and there you go. All data available at 1 hour level. And what about aggregations on higher levels? No problem. You got a list to choose from. All data available on daily increment. You might ask yourself why the numbers of consumption are so low. That's because we have chosen kilowatt as a unit. Let's change it to kilowatt hours. Update the data. There we are. Our FeasyUse technology aggregates correctly. But we all know that data can be corrupt or missing, which sometimes can be really painful for analysts. Here we see that some of hourly data is missing. You can simply fill the gaps by using formulas or replacement values. Just like that. Here we go. Occasionally, we want to aggregate, but nevertheless want to know if there's values missing. Simply choose the aggregate, update, there you go. And if you want to get useful results instead of null, there you go again. It is as easy as that. We support loads of functions like versioning time series, auditing or ad hoc formulas. There's also a comprehensive support of time zones and many more. All of that delivers useful results under any circumstances. As for developers, all what I've shown is available in our REST interface. You can check out the documentation and see for yourself. Here, for example, how to get specific data points out of a time series. Set the time span, the interval, the unit, choose for the ID of the time series and go for it. Making data useful and feasible. That's what we call FeasyUse. If you liked today's session, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Don't forget to hit the bell button to turn on the notifications. Check out more about us on Twitter, LinkedIn and of course our showcases on HAKOM's website. Stay tuned and don't forget, life's a time series.